Missbabs yarn are all hand-dyed fingering yarn suitable for both crochet and knitting. For care instructions, they are all machine wash friendly so long as it's gentle, and for drying them it must be dry flat. For best result, it's recommended alternating skeins and pre-washing high contrast colors, as some colors may release excess dyes on the first wash. This is a yummy 2-ply tooth fingering yarn, 100% superwash merino wool. It's having 133 yardage, which is equivalent to 121 meter, approximately 1.3 oz, and it's a 38 gram. Texture fingering yarn, 75% superwash merino wool, 15% nylon, 10% tencel, 500 yardage, which is equivalent to 457 meter, and it's weigh about 122 gram. This one is also a yummy 2-ply toes fingering yarn, 100% superwash, just the same as the first one.